Hey there, I'm going to explain how to play different groups, different Colombian groups using samples, using chalk, using live coding, and using the functions that we have worked so far, including a drummer that we make it in the Spanish version. You can check the tutorials, and using a library, adding the phrasing function, the sing function, and the drummer function. Okay. In this case, we are going to create some gen drummers. In my case, I give this name just to remember that is a generative drummer. We're going to call this tambora. Okay, because this is the instrument that we are going to recreate. Okay, we are going to give a bit a value of 0.20. Is a float. Okay, then we're going to create an array with. Remember that we choose the sample. For example, in this case, we are going to choose the sample 15, but we do not only use the 15. We have to give a gain value before the 15. For example, 9. Okay, it will be a 15 sample with 9 in gain. Okay, a rest, then a 15, then 715. It will be less gain value. And we're going to repeat this pattern 3 times, and then 0. And then we're going to use the tambora open, that is 14. That is 14. Okay, we're going to use 10, 14, and 13, 14, and 0. The syntax for this kind of situation is with at, chalk symbol, and notes D. Okay, for drummer. Okay, then we're going to establish a synchronized function. We're going to wait 8 cycles per bit, and then we are going to play. Tambora will play with bits. Will no phrasing so far. Type 1 because it's binary, and the notes D array. Perfect. Let's listen to it. Let's clean our virtual machine first. Before that, let's clean our virtual machine and add library and add this. Sorry, I made a mistake. When you create an array, you need to create this. Okay, go ahead. We can listen now. Okay, let's add a new instrument. GenDrummer, a llamador will be the next sound that I want to create. I'm going to follow the same structure over here. It will be this structure. I'm going to delete some numbers. 0, 0. And according to my list, the llamador is 16. Okay, so we will be, for example, 10, 16, 0. And it will be drums too. Okay, if you want these to sound 2 times, you need to use the spork. The spork function will give you the option to listen to tambora while llamador plays. Okay, so let's listen. Okay, this llamador is very high. That's the reason why it clips a little bit. Let's use a different value of gain. Okay, 4. Let's push to make the different. There you go. Perfect. This hash makes all the previous mix to be out of it. Okay, perfect. Let's create another drum. It will be three. We're going to call this a Gen drummer, for example, shaker. We are going to use the 99. For example, 299 of 999. Perfect. We 3. Going to put this. Perfect. 3 and a shaker. Finally, let's use last Gen drummer. Let's call it Conga, and we are going to support it. Before Conga, and the use of Conga will be before here. Let's use the Conga open that according to the list is 06. Okay, let's add a little bit more gain to the Conga. And let's listen to it. What if we want a little bit more swing feeling? We can modify it here. What if instead of the shaker, I add some drums? Let's make it like this. Very soft. Let's exaggerate a little bit. And we have now a cumbia swing feeling groove. Great. Let's clear the filter machine. Is live coding con sabor a músicas colombianas, and I hope you like it.